What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to embed a Microsoft calendar onto your WordPress website, post or page, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to your Microsoft Teams, okay? So go to your Microsoft calendar. Go to Google, type Microsoft calendar. You're gonna be able to see your calendars right here. You can do the calendar. Then, after having your calendar all complete in the way that you need, review the upper right corner of your screen. Next to your photo, there is this gear icon that opens the settings. Click on it, and on settings, we're gonna click on calendar, okay? And once on calendar, we're gonna click on shared calendars. First thing, we're gonna need to click on a calendar. You can share by email, but if you scroll down, you can publish a calendar. We're gonna need to publish, so select the calendar you made. You can click on view all details, publish, then copy this HTML. This is very important, okay? After copying the HTML, go to your WordPress website, review the left sidebar of menus on dashboard, and you can publish it as a page or as a post, up to you, okay? I'm gonna publish as a post, okay? Click on add new on posts. Enter a title and click into the plus button to add a block, and you're gonna need to enter as a custom HTML, okay? Place your calendar link. Then copy this link that I'm gonna leave into the video. I'm gonna try to enter it on the video description as well, so you can copy. Now, you're gonna use this code right here. This is a simple iframe code, okay? We're gonna replace this your HTML link with this link. We're gonna close, and here is our iframe already working, okay? Of course, the people must be logged in to see the calendar, but you're gonna be able to embed the Microsoft page and see the full calendar right here, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.